Well, for the young man, I don't know what he will say. But being willing that is inside the struggle, we are celebrating that 25 years of our freedom of Biafra, starting from that 1999 to 2024. So Friday goes to make it 25 years.
Hold on. Now, you say who is that are inside the struggle? Who are inside the struggle?
Well, I am a freedom fighter. Are you one of them?
Now, if you say you're a freedom fighter, I may agree because you are fighting according to your own level. You are fighting with mouth. Abuja don't know whether you exist or not. I am here fighting with my mouth. Abuja don't know whether I'm existing or not. But if you are coming to Massob or Wazirike, leave those issues alone. Wazirike have come and gone. He's alive but in coma.
Well, the only thing which I can tell you, the young man and what is happening in the southeast. Let me just say one thing. It is, do you know why nnamdikanu is in detention? They cannot give me the fact.
Because it's not the coward. Nnamdikanu is in detention. Because
let me just tell you one thing.
He's a real fighter.
Let me just tell you one thing.
He's a real fighter. He is
nnamdikanu is holding Nigeria money. And which nnamdikanu is a never pay that money. That's the federal government of Nigeria holding him, keeping him here in detention. And nnamdikanu will be released. Not they cannot use it as of now.
Wasn't able to do anything. Rafa Wazirike is just like one lizard is climbing Iroko tree and scratching Iroko tree. You know that scratching did not do anything to Iroko tree. That's how Wazirike and Nigeria is. You make yow.
But do you not think Brgie should be working with Ekpa to get
wait, let me just tell you.
If Wazirike will work with Ekpa, will he be under Ekpa?
It's killing people.
Under him.
It's making a lot of the youth. It's making a lot of the youth dying. So
you want to tell me Wazirike?
We are telling you. This is not exodus, not violent. We are not a violent people. If Wazirike never give order, say don't kill army, don't kill police.
Okay, no, let me kill you. Army kill you, police kill you.
Army will kill you.
It's a coward.
You are not carrying arms. You are not carrying arms, and you don't have the right to kill. You don't have the right to kill.
Do IPOB carry gun when they kill them in a Operation Pattern Dance? Do IPOB carry gun when they kill them in Head Bridge on Nisha? Do IPOB carry gun when they kill them in CKC?
Let me carry gun when they kill them in that Onitsha over Head Bridge? That happened 2015 when they blocked the road. 2015. Who did they call? Wait, let me just tell you. United Nations did not call nnamdikanu. Who the United Nations call? It's Rafael
Wazirike. Is it IPOB? Rafael Wazirike, is it IPOB? Is it Massob?
Because the way he follows that is the young man. The United Nations.
Let me ask you. Now, I'm coming. I want to ask you a question now. You said that 2015, because human being block road, Nigerian have right to kill human being. But when car to block road, Nigeria not the kill cow. This is Nigeria, defending.
And
one cow,
that 2015,
Nigeria not the kill When block road, Nigeria will kill human being. This is Nigeria value animal more than human being.
That day, Nigeria military did not kill any of them on that 2015. For that Onitsha bridge.
So they don't buy their own.
Wait, this one will be for that day. They not kill anyone.
So they don't their own.
They don't block road. Army do not kill anybody.
Army do not kill anybody. Are you going to kill? Are you going to kill?
They say,
are you going to kill? No, are you going to kill? Okay, don't kill them. Kill them.
They call the man who is in charge of the struggle.
Is you Pashuko? Is you Pashuko? Answer my question. Is you Pashuko that kill IPOB?
Let me tell you, if you're going with the arms, federal government of Nigeria will use arms and follow you.
Okay, now, cool down. In the time of Achinuku Denwa, Massob was in the time of Achinuku Denwa. When Achinuku Denwa ordered to kill Massob, the Massob carried on.
Wait, that's
answer my question. Answer my question.
What I'm telling you, don't say that. No, wait, I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. You yourself, nnamdikanu when he was speaking on Radio Biafra, he made a comment, said, kill them, collect their gun, and used to challenge them. Is it not true?
Now, I ask you a question. You have already go answer my question.
We are not violent.
Answer me. Answer me my question.
We are not
answer me my question.
We are not a violent people.
In a local government, or was it a local government? When Nigeria came there to kill them, let the camp. Did they carry on?
No, let me just tell you that.
Did they carry on?
That animal you are talking.
Look at this.
I am there. I am there. I know what is going on.
Why don't you there? Why you are alive?
Where is
you can be a dead person.
Let me just tell you.
If you are there, you be a dead person.
We are going.
I'm there.
And that's
there. I ask you a question. You didn't answer. You say I'm there. I'm there. I'm there.
I am here. Take me. I am the leader. Leave my voice and took me.
Did they kill or not?
Where is there? If they kill, we cannot challenge. Because you are coward. Nothing like coward. That is what he said. No executive.
Have you seen them? Have you seen them? Have you seen them for free?
Yes.
Have you seen them for free?
Where is the one?
Have you seen them for free?
They say Igbo cannot coward. The enemy will be killing you. Killing you like fire. They will not speak up. They will not fight back. That's what
what he's saying. If Biafra you are talking, you go the first war in 1967 with arms. And you will not get it with arms. So we come to this second one, which will come on the diplomatic, on the road, no Biafra, diplomatic, no exodus, no violence.
Okay.
That is where we start.
He said independence cannot come with killing, with arms.
Now, tell me how many nations that get their independence without arms.
Okay, so
how many nations?
Ekpa method now is the right method now.
No, Ekpa method. Excuse me. Ekpa method is not. We are not aggressors. Biafrans are not aggressors. They are defenders. They are defending themselves. They did not go to Abuja to fight. They don't come to Lagos to fight. They are in their soil. We carry forth to come and meet them. We don't fold their hand for you to kill them.
Wait. Let me say.
Now, I will ask another question.
One thing the other. Let me just tell you. As of now, I am still cutting it out. If the young man in Finland, the way he said Biafra,
aggressive, young man in Biafra, he's Biafra prime minister. You are prime minister. Biafra prime minister.
Are you using pants?
Biafra prime minister.
It's a question. Are you using naira?
Biafra prime minister. I ask you a question. You did not answer me.
I ask you.
I ask you a question. I ask you a question. Do you answer my question?
I am still using naira. So you haven't been a nation. What are you defending for?
So I ask you a question. You never answer my question.
You are not using naira. You are not using.
No, I want to educate him. He's still a baby in the struggle.
My friend, you are a novice.
Novice.
So you are telling people to be killing. You are making people to be dying. In the name of
Anambra State. Anambra State. Local government. That is the name of Peter.
You are still using naira.
Governor of Anambra State.
You are still using naira. You
say kill Massob or not?
Are you using pounds?
Will Nigeria kill Massob or not?
Are you using pounds?
Answer me. In the time of Peter, will Nigeria kill Massob or not? In a nature. I mean, in Anambra local government.
My brother.
Nigerian army kill Massob.
We see nature of Nigeria
or not?
We are not.
Your leader, the so-called leader, is a coward.
Yeah,
he take Nigeria. He take Govt to do that.
But you
nnamdikanu is a brave man.
A brave man.
Nnamdikanu is a brave man. Nnamdikanu is a man to reckon. Nnamdikanu is a man who can face your million people. Someone is a man who will come people listen. Okay, now listen. Owazirike is a leader. Okay, now him the sponsor Biafra. Now him carry Biafra head. But how many times Owazirike have given orders these days, and people follow. How many times Owazirike have commanded people to follow? No.
Wait. To become president of Nigeria. Somebody welcome his freedom fighter.
When he says so, in 2004, we have sit at home, and that sit at home incorporates all over Nigeria. Who give that order? In the time of Obasanjo, he give order. Both people in Lagos, so market, there's no order.
After that, what happened?
Wait, let me just sit at home is once.
After that, what happened?
People say that we have to government in Nigeria. If people can listen to Owazirike.
No, answer my question. After that, what will happen?
Because you are a baby.
After that, what will happen?
You want people to be dying. You want people to be dying.
Owazirike did not I have 2, 3 people. You kill Massob. Owazirike don't do anything. The body is still in mortuary.
My friend,
the body is still in mortuary. What I tell you. Massob, the body are in mortuary. Up to today. Okay,
so, those who don't know,
if Massob know that is existing, then Owazirike know that is still in command. That is government to declare.
So 25 years now.
25 years.
Only who's a good man? That is slave. That is the land areas of Imo State. Only him handle Owazirike and collect his hand out of his hand. Owazirike is crying. Only who's a good man, nobody again. Collect his land. Put handcuff. Put your gas. Owazirike was crying. Come to Facebook. Begin the cry. Begin the cry.
They put tear gas on him. You are telling bloody lie.
Okay, bloody lie. Okay, I will go in the bloody lie.
So
I will go it. It's a bloody lie.
What the young man needs, he said that house. For me, I learned a lot of things. If I pursue something and something come on my way to block it,
he's a freedom fighter.
It's better for me. It's better for me.
Nobody's harassing him.
It's better
he's a freedom fighter. Nobody's going against him. He's challenging Nigeria. Nigeria is not challenging him. Is Owazirike gone?
What is going on? The young man says, "You, he said the land belongs to you. Take the land." Which
you see one thing. Owazirike is a shameless man.
Yes.
Total shameless.
If he's not a shameless man, he will never open mouth again. Anything concerning Biafra struggle. Okay. When you get it, if he's a reasonable man, if he's a wise man, he will never open mouth and dispute anything concerning Biafra struggle again. nnamdikanu, God bless. Do you know how many people under that?
It's not officially a freedom fighter.
It's not a freedom fighter. Where did he reach?
But at least as I call him Ekpa, nnamdikanu, even though he could not give that freedom during his 8 days, at least he also give him credit.
8 days. How many years he struggled? How many years did he stand?
25 years.
25 years. Doing what? 35 years.
Fighting for the Igbos.
Which Igbos? Which is Biafra? 35 years of coma. 25 years of coma.
Thank God, sir. We have a government house over there. We have a government house. Which form?
My brother.
Seat of power.
My brother.
Which one do you have?
My brother.
You have a seat of power. Go to worry.
My brother.
You see the seat of power.
My brother. You know one thing. You know one thing.
So you cannot say here that this and what have Samuel Ekpa get in different land.
Now I'm coming.
Is this seat of power?
Now I have understand. You are right. What you said is right. What you say is right. This is the 25th anniversary. He's saying is right. Now, if I have opportunity or if I have connection, I have to tell someone Ekpa to give order that the whole Biafra should celebrate with Owazirike, because when the prodigal son run away, return back to his father. His father celebrate and say, at least my son is alive. At least my son is alive. Now, Owazirike have been in the coma for good 25 years. Now Now, they want to use this celebration to wake him up from the coma he is. And give him back
and let me just tell you, that man is the nation of their today. Someone doesn't have any position
on the 25
to give order.
Resurrection.
What will be happening?
That
young man doesn't have anything to do. May God bless you. Just what? Let the nation come.
No, it's right.
Let the nation come.
Let the
nation come.
Come resurrection.
So
happy 25 years. Come resurrection.
Which clothes am I going to put?
No, they hold different flag. They hold different flag.
Flag have already been passed across. So we are not agitating again.
Okay, so you have only got to Biafra. You have only got to Biafra.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Oh yes.
And there was checkpoint here and there.
Yes.
If not someone Ekpa, checkpoint can wipe away the remaining Biafra.
Checkpoint is there. Checkpoint is still there. They say there is no checkpoint. Don't not say so. We are in Lagos.
You say you are getting Biafra. You say you are getting Biafra. And then Fulani full soldier called Nigerian army are still operating. And you say you are not more struggling. You are not more carrying flag. We are struggling. We are fighting for Biafra. Someone is struggling.
First I know you. Have I ever seen you carry one flag one day?
Because I'm not in Biafra land. I'm in Nigeria.
I
cannot carry Biafra flag in Nigeria.
Carry an ID card. So this is.
I cannot carry Nigerian Biafra.
Sam, let it be.
This is why you are not. This is why you are not.
Just sit down. You're a coward. You don't know anything.
You're a coward. And in the sleep, which is 25 years, he's there for coma. And he's not a coward. He's not a coward. Happy coma resurrection.
25 years to all Massob, fan.
Coma resurrection.
And may God bless those who are going to listen and watch it.
Okay.
We're going to watch when was leaking up from coma, from sleeping.
The errand boys, Fulani errand boys that call themselves for Haneze should allow Ekpa to be. They should allow Ekpa to be. Now it's Ekpa, before it was nnamdikanu. Now nobody has ever seen anything wrong with nnamdikanu, Abi. Why should I go with what Haneze is saying? Haneze is supposed to leave Ekpa alone now. What is wrong with this Haneze? One thing that's surprising me now is that Haneze we are talking about now doesn't have any leader again. Iwayan, the former Haneze chairman, is dead, and they are planning to bury Iwayan. Haneze should allow Ekpa to be. Ekpa is the only person that is allowed or inflaming the fire of Biafra. If not that Ekpa is there, nnamdikanu would have been a forgotten issue. And today you see where Ekpa has taken Biafra agitation to. I think you understand. Ekpa has been doing too well. It's because of Ekpa that we are still remembering Biafra. So Haneze should go to their normal businesses and leave Ekpa alone. It doesn't concern them. Ekpa is doing work for Igbo youths, doing work for nnamdikanu, doing work for Biafra, doing work for Igbo man, realization of himself. If not because of Ekpa, Igbo man would have been a lost person for a very long time ago. Lost and found. When nnamdikanu was arrested, that was lost. Igbo man was lost. Immediately Ekpa started his own agitation in Finland. Igbo man is found. Lost and found. They should allow Ekpa to be. Ekpa has virtually succeeded on bringing Biafra. So I don't know why some of those Nigerian beneficiaries within the Haneze platform are not happy with Ekpa's achievement, because they are not seeing anything wrong in this system, simply because they are benefiting from it to the detriment of you and I. So what happened is that there's a sugar and rest, Jerry. Ekpa is doing good work, and not even Haneze and their accolades in the north, their Fulani masters could stop Ekpa. I think they have gone to Finland one time to bring Ekpa back to Nigeria. Why did they take off? Why is it that they all took to their heels? They ran away. They should have stayed now. Kevin and them, the why then they run? Ohaneze should allow Samuel Ekpa to be.
Do you think they are working in conjunction with the Southeast governors?
Ohaneze, we are talking about our Southeastern governors. They are all together within themselves. They are one. So, Ohaneze governors, all of them are benefiting from Nigerian system. And that's why they have not seen anything wrong on shooting, killings of Igbo youths, extra killings, extrajudiciary killings in Igbo land. They have not faulted it simply because they are part of the beneficiaries of the system. So I think the errand boys, Fulani errand boys that call themselves Ohaneze should allow Ekpa to be. They should allow Ekpa to be. Now it's Samuel Ekpa, before it was Nnamdikanu. Now nobody has ever seen anything wrong with Nnamdikanu, Abi. They have seen what Nnamdikanu was telling them. Now they are going after Samuel Ekpa. They should allow Ekpa to do his work.
They just, come together and make this sit-at-home work so that, Nnamdikanu can regain his freedom.
Okay, sit-at-home is working. I don't know, from sit-at-home that has been observed since 2021. Yes, it's working. Nnamdikanu could not stop it because sit-at-home is being active and operational because of Nnamdikanu's continuous incarceration at DSS facilities. So there's nothing anybody could do about it. If not because of Nnamdikanu, Samuel Ekpa is not supposed to be issuing that kind of sit-at-home order, and it works. It is working. And even if it is not working, everybody would have forgotten Nnamdikanu. It is a custom now, it's a tradition, it's a culture of Igbo man to sit at home every Monday, Tuesday and Tuesday. Now it has degenerated to 30-day sit-at-home observation, and it is working. Why? The governors, they turn their back on Nnamdikanu. The political profiteers that are benefiting from Fulani, from their Fulani master, federal government, and the Yoruba Arab federal government, they are all the ones that are fighting sit-at-home order. They are the ones that are fighting Simon Ekpa. But you can see the Igbo youths. Every Igbo man actually knows that sit-at-home is used as a tool, as a weapon against federal government of Nigeria continuous detention of Nnamdikanu. So I see it as a good, it's a good disposition. See, let me tell you, sit at home is a good weapon used by the Igbo youth, used by the Igbo nation to make sure that Nnamdikanu gains his freedom. Nobody should contest it in Igbo land. Even the juggernauts, the so-called juggernauts, the governors, okay, listen good, the so-called Igbo elder forums, Ohaneze, they cannot stop it. Sit at home has become paranoid. It's an incurable disease now in the southeastern Nigeria. Because once they sit at home, police can't stop them. Soldier can't stop them. Southeast governors, Southeast government, federal government of Nigeria cannot stop them. Okay, that is the emancipation of Biafra. It's here. Let us embrace it.